Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I do not have amazingly full brows. I did a little bit of overplucking in the 90s, but something that's helping me feel a little bit better about the way that they look is this volumizing gel from Gimme Brow. I love that it enhances the brows that I already have because it has little fibers inside the gel that attach to the hair as I apply it. So I use 2 coats so that I get really good coverage and make the most of the eyebrow hair that I have. I got the neutral medium color and it's a pretty perfect match to my hair color. Sometimes I get a little bit on my skin as I'm applying it, but it wipes off really easily just with my fingertip. It comes with its own applicator brush, and a lot of times what I'll do is I will wipe the brush off on the top of the tube just to make sure that I'm not getting a lot of goop on my eyebrow when I apply it, and then it goes on more smoothly. I think that this works really well. I'm very pleased with it, and that's my point of view.